97 new confirmed COVID-19 cases have been reported today alone. This as the Ministry of Health in its evening clinical update says 58 additional persons have tested positive for COVID-19, but this is not representative of the positive cases over the last 24 hours only. These 58 cases are in addition to the 39 reported in the ministry's morning update today. The ministry says the number of active cases stand at 690. This is out of a total of 864 cases reported since the first case on March 12th. The COVID-19 related deaths remain at 12. Prime Minister Dr. Rowley has confirmed that he has tested negative for COVID-19 after having been in contact with someone who has tested positive for the virus. In a post to the Prime Minister's Facebook page, Dr. Rowley said it came to his attention on Thursday night that on Monday, August 10th, he was exposed to someone who later tested positive for COVID-19. The post added that out of an abundance of caution, he was advised to remain in quarantine at home until next Monday when the full 14-day period would expire. The Prime Minister said, given the circumstances under which we all now live, he is taking the opportunity to appeal to all citizens to each do your part to help fight the virus by strictly following the health instructions. The Ministry of National Security says it was officially informed this afternoon that a member of staff of the Immigration Division Head Office located at Government Campus Plaza, number 3 to 9 Richmond Street, Port of Spain, has tested positive for COVID-19. However, it says this member of staff has not reported for duty since August 5th, 2020, and as such, public health officials have indicated that the risk of transmission of the virus is low. The ministry says as a precautionary measure, the office will be sanitized on Saturday, August 22nd. Business operations will continue on Monday, August 24th. Well, the director of the WHO, the World Health Organization, Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus, is calling on persons to be responsible and to do their part in the fight against COVID-19. The WHO hosted its COVID-19 media update from Geneva this afternoon. The director's call came as the organization reported that to date, there have been over 22.5 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 globally.
Every person and family has a responsibility to know the level of transmission locally and to understand what they can do to protect themselves and others. At the same time, we cannot go back to the way things were. Throughout history, outbreaks and pandemics have changed economies and societies.
Dr. Ghebreyesus said in the recovery, the world will have to make a greater effort to go green.
Since then, over 40 million health professionals from 90 countries have sent a letter to G20 leaders to call for a healthy recovery from COVID-19. And we have seen many examples of countries acting to protect lives, livelihoods, and the planet on which they depend.